Do you have an iPhone like this and you're having issues with the camera that you want to change? I'm going to show you the screen so that way you can see. So let's say that you want to change, between different cameras, or you want to zoom in, zoom out, and it doesn't work properly. I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So here I made a video. I have a video here where I show this problem closely. So I'm going to show you, for instance, here. So you see the phone. So basically you don't have the other options. So when you don't have these options, or they disappear like you see here in the video, what you have to do is you have to take it apart, and then you have to replace the camera. So the problem is the camera itself. If you want to buy the module, I found one. So basically all these iPhones, it could be iPhone 20, 30, 15, 16, I don't know, the versions that you're going to see in the future, if they have the same type of camera. You have 3 cameras. So basically you can buy the replacement here. At least is $60, seems fair. Otherwise, if you take it to the Apple store, I think it's like $250 just to replace it. But if you want to do it yourself, very easy. So all you have to do, I'll show you here a few instructions. There are many YouTube videos about this, but it's very simple. So I'm going to show you something that you need. So basically, you will have to remove the 2 screws that you have here next to the charging port. Once you do that, you will need a tool, something like this, so that way you can take it, you can unglue it. But for that, you will have to apply with a heat gun in the other side, where you have the screen. You're going to apply heat around that area in the screen side, and then after that you're going to use the tool that I just told you just to take it apart. When you do that, you will have to have access to the camera. Just follow the instructions. It depends, in the future you may have different phones or different type of motherboards or something like that. So basically all you have to do is just see where you have screws, remove it, try to remove the lens, the cameras, and that's it. So basically that is all you need. So I made I think a long time ago a video about how to replace the motherboard or the battery on one of these phones, but basically all of them are the same. Like I said, just remove the screw that you have here, and then grab the heat gun, just heat it on this area, and try to unglue it. Sometimes you can use like a game card, or maybe something that's not very pointy or anything like that, so that way you don't scratch it. Sometimes you can use like a prayer tool, the plastic one, and then take it apart, and then you will have to remove the motherboard and the pieces that you have inside, remove the camera, put the new camera in, and that's it. So I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, I can ship it to you. Otherwise, I'll try to leave you in the video description the link of these type of phones if you want to buy something like that, or you can Google it and buy it yourself. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.